In this intermediate advanced tap dance lesson tutorial, you're going to learn a short combination to the song Hold Me Closer, performed by Britney Spears and Elton John. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Starting with the right foot, you have step, heel, right toe, and left step. That's step, heel, both. One more time. Step, heel, both. Spank, step, heel, heel, stamp, stamp. And that's left heel first. So that was spank, step, heel, heel, stamp, stamp. From the top, ready? Go. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. Again, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. From here, left dig and right heel at the same time, toe, step, same time, toe, step, stamp, step, heel, stamp. Again, that's the left dig and right heel at the same time. So we have same toe, step, same toe, step, stamp, step, heel, stamp. One more time. 6, ready, go. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Let's put that all together from the top. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and again. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. From there, step, shuffle, step, scuffle, toe dig, step, step, stamp, stamp, clap. Yes, I'll show that again. Step, shuffle, step, scuffle, toe dig, step, step, stamp, stamp, clap. Let's put some counts on it. Ready, go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4 and. Faster. 6, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4 and. Faster. 6, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4 and. Followed by step, heel, toe, step, heel, toe, step, heel, toe, stamp. Again, that was 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. We're switching into a triplet rhythm, so be ready for that. Let's connect that from step, shuffle, step, scuffle, toe dig, step, step, stamp, stamp, clap. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Again, 6, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Super, my friends. Let's take it top all the way through. You can do this. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and a 3 E and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Super. Let's run that a couple more times, then we'll put some music on. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and a 3 E and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Even faster. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and a 3 E and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Beautiful. This is designed to go to the song Hold Me Closer, performed by Elton John and Britney Spears. Let's maybe slow it down a little bit. Let's say maybe minus about 5.5%, and we'll try that and see how it goes. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more to speed. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. For all my overachievers, we're going to go real speed. If you're not there yet, don't worry about it. Just give it your best shot and see what happens. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well. All right, beautiful. Thank you so much for tapping with me. If you had a good time and you enjoyed yourself, please hit that like and subscribe button. We want to be able to bring you more material and get in touch with you when that happens. If you're looking for new content, you can always check out unitedtaps.com. We've got lessons, workouts, dictionary, choreography, just a little bit of everything. If it has to do with tap dance, we probably have it. So you can check that out at unitedtaps.com. Thank you again for tapping with me. I appreciate it. I'm Rod from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.